Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. As the crisp air of fall rolls in, it's time to refresh your wardrobe with cozy, stylish, and chic outfits that embody the spirit of the season. Whether you are looking to layer up for warmth or make a fashion statement with the latest trends, we have got you covered. Today, we are diving into some fabulous fall outfit inspiration that will keep you looking effortlessly stylish all season long. The trench coat is a timeless piece that instantly elevates any fall outfit. Opt for a classic beige or camel colored trench and pair it with your favorite skinny jeans or a tailored pair of trousers. Complete the look with a pair of sleek ankle boots, perfectly in a neutral shade like black or brown. This outfit is perfect for transitioning from day to night, whether you're heading to work or meeting friends for dinner. Fall is the perfect season to cozy up in a chunky knit sweater. Pair a warm, oversized sweater with a flowy midi skirt for a balanced and stylish look. Choose a skirt in a rich autumnal color like burgundy, olive green, or mustard yellow. Finish the outfit with knee-high boots or even a pair of loafers for a chic, comfortable ensemble that's perfect for a day out or a casual office setting. Plaid is a quintessential fall pattern that never goes out of style. A plaid blazer can add a sophisticated touch to any outfit. Pair it with high-waisted jeans and a simple turtleneck or a crisp white shirt for a polished yet laid-back look. This outfit is versatile enough for both casual outings and more formal events. Add a pair of loafers or heel boots and don't forget a crossbody bag to complete the look. A turtleneck dress is chic and comfortable option for fall. Opt for a dress in a soft knit material and pair it with over-the-knee boots to keep warm while adding a touch of elegance. This outfit is perfect for a date night or a special occasion. To add an extra layer of warmth, throw on a long coat or a cozy scarf. Keep the accessories minimal with a pair of hoop earrings or a delicate necklace. Transition your favorite summer floral dresses into fall by pairing them with a leather jacket. The contrast between the soft feminine florals and the edgy leather creates a balanced and stylish look. Complete the outfit with a pair of ankle boots or combat boots for an added edge. This look is perfect for a casual day out or a weekend brunch with friends. Layering is the key to mastering fall fashion, and a cozy cardigan is a must have for the season. Opt for an oversized or chunky knit cardigan and layer it over a simple tee or blouse. Pair it with your favorite denim jeans, whether they are skinny, straight leg, or flared. Add a pair of ankle boots or slip on sneakers for a relaxed yet put together look. This outfit is perfect for those chilly fall days when you want to feel warmth and comfortable. For a mix of cozy and elegant, pair a chunky knit sweater with a sleek slip skirt. This contrast between the soft, oversized sweater and the silky skirt creates a stylish and modern look. Choose a skirt in a neutral or jewel tone and pair it with ankle boots or heeled mules. This outfit works well for both daytime and evening events depending on how you accessorize it. A camel coat is a fall wardrobe staple that adds instant sophistication to any outfit. Pair it with wide leg pants for a chic tailored look. Opt for pants in a neutral color like black, navy, or grey to keep the outfit cohesive. Add a simple blouse or turtleneck underneath and complete the look with a pair of pointed toe heels or loafers. This outfit is perfect for office or a day of shopping in the city. A knit dress is a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. To add some shape to your outfit, cinch the waist with a statement belt. This not only accentuates your figure but also adds a fashionable touch to the look. Pair the dress with ankle boots or knee-high boots and add a pair of tights if the weather is particularly chilly. This outfit is perfect for a casual day at the office or a weekend getaway. A quilted jacket is both stylish and practical for fall. Pair it with skinny jeans for a sleek silhouette. Opt for a jacket in a classic color like olive green, navy, or burgundy to complement the fall palette. Complete the outfit with ankle boots or sneakers and add a cozy scarf for extra warmth. This look is perfect for a day of running errands or a casual outdoor gathering. For a touch of luxury, add a fox fur vest to your fall wardrobe. Pair it with a long sleeve top and jeans for a cozy yet glamorous look. Choose a vest in a neutral color like beige, grey, or black and pair it with dark wash jeans and heeled boots for a sophisticated outfit. This look is perfect for a night out or a special event during the fall season. A poncho is a great layering piece for fall that adds warmth and style to any outfit. A tweed skirt is a classic fall piece that adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. A sweater dress is a fall wardrobe essential that's both comfortable and stylish. For a casual and trendy fall look, pair cropped sweater with high-waisted jeans. A flannel shirt is a fall staple that adds a cozy laid-back vibe to any outfit. A cowl-neck sweater is a cozy and stylish choice for fall. An oversized blazer is a trendy and versatile piece that can be dressed up or down. A teddy coat is a cozy and stylish outerwear option for fall. Transition your favorite summer maxi dress into fall by layering it with a denim jacket. This combination is both stylish and practical, perfect for those mild fall days. Choose a dress in a rich fall color or pattern and pair it with the classic blue denim jacket. Thank you for joining Fashion and Beauty.